What's good with y'all, man? It's lorShift back at it again with another banger video. And as y'all can see, we got the one and only beautiful 5.7 Lore Switchy Mobile looking really good on this fine, beautiful Super Bowl Sunday. We're going to make this a short and sweet video, man. As you see by the title and thumbnail, we're going to be going through the valley in my Lore Switchy Mobile, giving y'all a quick little POV drive. We're going to do half of the video with the advanced Burbles, which is the flames, and then the second half of the video with the Burbles. So that's just the pop. So same thing pretty much. You'll see the difference though. In order for y'all to see the difference, y'all going to have to do one thing for me. Do me a favor. Stay tuned until the end of the video. Smash that like button if you're watching right now. And also subscribe to my channel. Now that I got the tune, bro, I'm dropping straight bangers. But I'm going to give y'all a quick little walk around of the beautiful 5.7. 345 on the side. This is not a scat pack. This is a 5.7. Here go the back end. We got the nice carbon tips. The flames gonna be coming out of these beautiful 5-inch tips. We got tail lights tinted, wicker bill. You know, this the whole setup. This is what we rocking with today. So don't mind how dirty she looking right now. I know I got to get a car wash, but don't worry about that. Other than that, we gonna hurry up and get started. I ain't taking too long on the intro. So once again, you already know what to do. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And let's get to it, y'all. Start this bad boy up. 160 on the dash, but you know that tune make me go 170. Feel me? This is no longer an RT. This is a scat pack. We are going to be in track mode. And once again, we're going to start off with advanced Burble. So this is nothing but flames. So everything you're hearing in this video, just picture flames coming out the back end of the car. All right, y'all, we're going to get started, man. I am in a really quiet area right now, so hopefully cops don't mess with me with this advanced Burble tune, but I'm going to drive down a little bit and then I'm going to start popping. Once again, I am in track mode, so my exhaust is like, you know, fully active, fully opened up. In order to get track mode, if you don't already know, you do have to get the Z Automotive Taser. And you can also use the Taser with the tune that I have. I do have underground tuning, by the way. I'm going to put the link in the description below if you want to know what tune I got. By the way, I have stage 2, advanced Burbles, and MDS delete. So we're going to get started with the first pop. Let's get it, y'all. This should be a fun one, y'all. Nothing but echoes. We're going to be scaring all the birds away. God, bro, what the? Thought that was a cop at first, I ain't gonna lie. State Trooper's house. Yo, what the fuck? They finna get me, bruh. He's probably like, yo, what the fuck? He's definitely about to run out of his crib just to come get me. Bro, I knew a state trooper lived around here, bro. It's Super Bowl Sunday, bro. He can't get me, bro. He gotta leave me alone. Let's get away a little bit before I start popping again. Nah, that should be cool. I ain't turkey, y'all. I ain't turkey. Oh my God. Feels weird doing it in this like area because it's so quiet. So I know they probably wondering why the hell. I'm gonna get away from the cop, I ain't gonna lie, because I don't want him scrambling out his crib. He's probably gonna zoom past. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, gang. What the fuck you scared of? Them Tesla owners be so weird, bro. The hell? That was a flame. That was 100% a flame. We're gonna make it right. I feel like that cop scrambling. I mean, I am doing the speed limit. While you're on the main road, I gotta bust a U-turn. I'm gonna bust a U-turn right here, y'all. Hold on. Can I? I know what I'm gonna do. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna bust a U-turn right here real quick. And then go back in type shit, you feel me? Hold on, y'all, I'm struggling a little bit. Make sure I don't get hit by no cars. All right, we should be straight now, y'all. I ain't gonna make the advanced burbles too long, because like I said, they're extremely loud. If it was nighttime, it'd be better, because then I'll be able to, you feel me, do the dash with my lights off and shit, but I can't afford no more points on my license. I don't want to go to jail on Super Bowl Sunday, bro. Damn, why this nigga on my ass? Oh my goodness. Yo, these are some big ass houses, bro. Like, what? Let's make it right. God, bro. I don't know if y'all could tell, but these shits is loud, bro. Like, loud. We're gonna go for like one more minute, y'all, and then I'm gonna do the other burbles. Other burbles, they kind of sound better from the inside of the car, but from the outside, I would say the advanced burbles is the best. Sounds like gunshots, dog. Yo, this sounds like gunshots, bro. I know all the deer is probably like scrambling right now. If I was a deer, bro, I'd be confused. They gonna have state troopers roaming around the valley. I do gotta take a thumbnail, and this is a good thumbnail spot, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, we gonna hurry up and switch over. Let me know if y'all like the advanced burbles better or these next burbles I'm about to put on next. So give me y'all suggestions. What y'all think is better, advanced or regular burbles? We're gonna park somewhere real quick so I can take a thumbnail. And yeah. All right, y'all. So we parked, took our thumbnail. We got the advanced Burbles done. It's time to move on to the regular Burbles, man. Y'all tell me which one y'all like better. Like I said, I'm gonna go into track mode real quick because I don't think I'm in track. Here we go. Let's get it, y'all. Y'all let me know which one y'all like better. Advanced Burbles or regular? This is regular right here. As y'all can hear, it sound like a real switch. Real switchy, man, real switchy. Let's make a right. We're gonna go right. Sharp right. Oh my God. In my opinion, I think the regular Burbles sound better, but the advanced Burbles are more like, I don't know, they louder. I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Dead squirrel. Switch has entered the chat. Oh my goodness. Lord Switchiana has entered the chat. This shit sound crazy, bro. This is outrageous, bro. I am only recording like 5 to 7 minutes of this, so please enjoy this while it lasts, and let me know if y'all want a part 2. This is like my third Valley Drive though, but let me know if y'all want a part 2 of the Burble Tune Valley Drive. I'm thinking about doing a Valley Drive through the hood, through the city, so I'm gonna try to switch it up with this new Burble Tune that I got. Sounds crazy, bro. Oh shit. Oh, stop sign. I did not see this bitch. We're gonna make a left. Let's make a left. It's a nice little bridge right here. Little tunnel. By the way, for those who are wondering, you can use this tune in automatic as well. You do not have to be in manual to use this or the advanced Burble tune. So just keep that in mind if you're planning on getting it. You don't got to be in manual. See, look, I'm in automatic right now. Watch this. All you got to do is just hit the gas a little bit. Oh my God. You do gain a little bit of horsepower off this tune too. I believe like it said like 35 and then 60 torque is what you gain. So, and it does feel like it, I'm not gonna lie. Like the throttle response does not feel any different in my opinion, but the power, it does feel like it picks up a lot more. So once you get the tune, you'll notice a difference for sure. So just take my word on it. To be honest, I don't even know where I'm going. But all right, y'all, we got in the video here, man. I'm gonna park and get out so y'all can see the tanning mobile for the last time. Feel me?